You can see the infill there. Probably coming back after it's finished this print. This is, I think I remember right, the right hand side bracket for the GTech Mk AirRam vacuum cleaner. Mounted on the wall. So I've just about started printing the right hand side, sorry, the left hand side one that's been printed. This is the right hand side one. Come out pretty well. So handle catches on here. 2 holes are screwed to the wall there. I planned this for like hollow walls, plasterboard, so 5mm bores. This will be strong enough, even though I've thinned it down a lot from the original design to save time, plastic etc. This is, well, I put some of the details, the printing details on here, which I found is strong enough and prints quicker. So I'll probably come back when I've actually fastened it to the wall and show you it in use. So that will be after this print, obviously. So there's a left and a right hand one. You have to put the right distance apart, obviously. Well, I fitted both brackets, and yeah, you can fold the GTech like this, just give it a bit of a push and it goes flat against the wall as good as in our case. So there's that bracket. Here's this bracket. I fitted one bracket, then basically lined the other bracket up to suit it. Try and show you inside the handle if I can. If I can get the camera in here. And basically these do like open outwards when I'm putting it on and off. Can I try and show you that? I can get steady. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And then to push it a bit. Sorry if that's going out, it's very hard to keep this in line and push, and those open out a bit and spring back in, and the hook, there's a bit of a bump there, so the hook in there, that's good and strong. I'll just show you, you can go like that, and when you want to put, it's like when you're going under beds and such like, it can go flat like that. So that's a GTech AirRam mountain brackets. (25% infill) seems strong enough. I was thinking I would have to do a lot higher infill, up to 80% actually, but that would take a significant amount of time. I think these took just over 2 hours each one on the settings I used. Yep, use a spirit level to get them level.